Welcome to Snow Vision. We hunt and fish like it's our mission. Landscapes epic from the woods to the river. Catching all the action cause we always deliver.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode, and today we're going to be doing some pheasant hunting. Yesterday we did some pheasant hunting, but unfortunately all my footage either was corrupt or it didn't transfer from the GoPro. I don't know. We're going to try to do it all over again today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy it. Let's get after it.
Well, hopefully the wind helps us today. He might be on point here. I'm smelling something. They're waiting for me. Good boy. Waiting for me. Easy. Got the wind right in our face. Probably smelling all kinds of stuff. Easy. He smells something. Easy. Got on point right here. Get him, boy. Good job. Good job, buddy. He was right on him. Attaboy. Attaboy, Bolt. No. 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 Good boy. Good boy, Bolt. All right. It's a young one, too. Good boy. I think there's another rooster got out with him, but come here. Stay right here. Man, he was on him. Look at that pretty boy. Some of his feathers are right there. Hopefully you guys can see him, but Bolt had to grab him because I didn't completely knock him down. All right, let's go. Oh, they're locked down good. That wind must be helping us. There he is, right there. Beauty. Oh, I love pheasant. Let's see if all this stuff stays on camera this time. Good job, buddy. That's just a pheasant feather that he decided to pull out for me. There's his feathers. I'm not shooting pin birds, I promise, but Bolt likes to grab them if they're running, so I don't mind it. As long as we end up with a bird. Easy. All right, we're on point again here. Easy. Good boy. Oh, there goes one. Running on us, Bolt. They're running on us, buddy. One just got out quite a ways ahead of us. Probably running into that crap, but I want to work up this edge. Come here, Bolt. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Where your vest falls off. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Vest came undone. Come here. No, no, no. Come here. Come here. Come here. They're running on us, buddy. I seen one get up in front of us. Come here. Let me get this. Hold on. All right. Come on. Let's go this way. I know you want to go that way, buddy, but you gotta go this way.
All right, I like this little sequence here. It's pretty cool. He goes on point and then he relocates and goes on point again. I think twice here until he finally gets the bird up, but I thought it was a pretty neat little sequence here.
He's on something here. Good boy. Good boy. Hen. Good boy. Easy. Easy. Good boy. No bird. No bird. Good boy. Come here. This way. Come on. Get back here. Back where you started. Come on. All right. Come on. Good boy. They're moving. I knew they would be today. Way too nice. The wind's helping us a little bit, but easy. Easy. Pretty. Easy. Hen. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Yeah, it's a hen. Hens are holding for us, hey? I'm trying to come out. We got the wind coming this way. So I'm trying to come out off a little bit and get as much of this area as I can, because he'll be able to smell them all the way to the edge there if there's a bird. I'm just trying to come out a little way so we can get a little bit better section covered. Oh, hoping the mic's working good, because I'm using the old GoPro because I'm not trusting the new one. I gotta film something that doesn't matter because I lost all the footage from yesterday. Dang, it was a good day. Shed a tear over that one. Now we got the wind going this way, so if he goes on point, it's gonna be pretty close, so have to be ready. Shouldn't have wore the long johns today. What we got? Smelling something? Easy. Easy. Okay. They're running on us? He's smelling something in here. If we can get him locked down or not. They're in here somewhere, aren't they, buddy? Good boy. Couldn't see you, buddy. All right. Good job. Good boy, Bolt. Good boy. He's tracking that sucker the whole way. Good boy, Bolt. Bring him here. Bring him here. That bird in here, where is he? There's the feathers. Come here. That bird in here. That bird in here. Hunt it up. Hunt dead. Find him. Find him. Dead bird in here. Where is he at? Come here. Dead bird in here. Where's he at? Find him. Come here. Come here. This way. Come here. Well, here's more feathers. I can't believe he'd run. Got him? You got him? Dead bird in here, buddy. Find him. Hunt dead. Hunt dead, find him. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Get him. Get him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Bolt. Huh? He was right there, wasn't he? Oh my goodness. Good boy, Bolt. Man, I mean, what the heck happened? Nope. Good boy. What the heck was that, buddy? Huh? What was that? Come here, let me get your coat fixed. Nope. Great job. I guess he was running on us. Even when you think you folded him up good, you don't. We need to get you a drink, huh? Huh? Still no lost birds. No. All right, well, we got this one here. You were tracking him for quite a while, weren't you? Must have just broke his wing. Are you gonna die, bird, or what? All right, there we go. Second one. See what we can do. Hopefully we can find another one. Can't believe he's running. I don't know how well you guys are gonna pick it up, but I freaking puffed him pretty good. Good boy. Come on, let's go this way. This way. Come on.
All right, we got Bolt on point off to the right here. You guys aren't gonna be able to see it because I can't see it, but I'm trying to get him to come back left, but he's locked onto a rooster. I cannot really see where he's at, so I'm trying to locate him. I am in the market for a tracking color, so if you guys have any recommendations, put that in the comments below.
Get him, Bolt! Jesus. He was locked on that thing, wouldn't come off of it. Good boy. Get him. Fetch him up. I didn't hit him very good, I don't think. Dead bird over here. God damn, he was locked down. He would not come off that thing. Dead bird in here. Where is he? Find him. Dead bird. Get him. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. Holy smokes. Good boy. Get him. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Bolt. Ow, you're hurting. Whew. Look at you. I'm sorry. You were locked on him good, weren't you? I'm sorry. I was trying to get him to come back to me so we could walk a different direction, but he said, no, Dad. No, Dad, there's a bird this way. All right, let's go. Ain't that a pretty one? A little young, but I think they're all pretty. Hell yeah. Let's go, guys. Hour. Got our limit in an hour. Here's all the feathers. We almost got away from us, but he didn't. Let's go.
870 strap, the dog's untapped, birds getting whacked.